Now, first up, we have some other 2D enhancements or 2-axis enhancements. On the left, we were talking about 2.5-axis profile clustering. Here you can see you can select all of your curves that are inside of other curves, and it'll figure out the clustering for you. And here I was mentioning the gouge checking. If you have multiple curves and you don't have to go in and clean them up and make sure that they're trimmed and edged and everything like that. Just select all your curves and it'll put a profile around the outer perimeter of all of them. And then additional saw cutting options, we'll be showing you that as well. Okay, so let's go over to the clustering and 2-axis. You saw this on the slide. Basically, we just have curves that are in closed curves that are inside other closed curves. So if you're going to cut this stencil out on your CNC machine, obviously you want to cut on the right side. So it'll figure that out for you. If you just go into the 2-axis profiling operation, we have our curve selected. If you go to the cut parameters, you can check this box to alternate using nesting. And what that means is it's going to alternate from the outside. For instance, we have the right side of curves. You could use the inside outside to just do the outside. It'd be easier. But it'll start on the outside. The inner curves, it'll start on the inside, and the inner curves, it'll start on the inside. So that does that for you, which is pretty cool.